Managing your business workflows just got a lot easier with Eazybe on Zoho CRM. Follow this simple guide to install and start using Eazybe from the Zoho Marketplace. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the Zoho Marketplace. Log into your Zoho CRM account and head over to the Marketplace section from the top right menu. Search for Eazybe in the search bar, and once you find it, click on the app to begin installation. Step 2. Installing the Eazybe extension. Click the Install button and agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Then, click Continue to proceed. Select the user profiles you want to grant access to and hit Continue once again. The installation will now begin. Step 3. Authorizing Zoho CRM with Eazybe. After the installation, navigate to the Leads, Contacts, or Deals module and click on the new Eazybe option available. Step 4. Start using Eazybe on Zoho CRM. Once authorized, Eazybe empowers your Zoho CRM with 2 powerful features. Chat Backup. Automatically back up all your WhatsApp chats directly into Zoho CRM, ensuring you never lose track of important conversations. Direct Messaging. Send WhatsApp messages directly from Zoho CRM to your contacts without switching platforms, saving time and effort. Thank you for choosing Eazybe. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Happy working!